Here's a clever product that allows greater camber adjustment and front track width adjustment on 65 to 68 911 and 912 cars. Unlike the stock ball joints, these adjustable ball joints are adjustable, effectively extending the length of the front lower control arms and moving the bottom of the strut and tire out. This results in increased camber and track width. Modern radial tires deliver their best grip with aggressive camber. The early 911 and 912 cars were designed for bias ply tires and don't deliver the camber radial tires need. These adjustable ball joints let you get the camber you need to make the suspension perform optimally with modern radial tires. If you need even more camber, adjustable ball joints can be combined with strut top camber plates, and their effects are additive. Negative camber helps counteract the natural tendency for a tire to roll onto its outer shoulder while cornering. Keeping the contact patch squarely on the road while cornering allows for more grip and higher cornering speeds. The kit is an easy bolt-on, fully weather sealed, and is available in 2 configurations. Cars with the original 65 through 68 struts use a threaded stud type. We also have a version that allows pairing the later 1972 through 89 type struts with early 65 through 68 control arms. These use the wedge pin type attached to the strut bottom.